My name is Nisha Albert, and I'm a senior biology major with an environmental studies concentration, and here are a few reasons why you should choose St. Olaf. So my second year here, I spent second semester on the Environmental Science and Australia and New Zealand program that's led by 2 St. Olaf professors with about 20 other Oles. So my favorite part of the program is not only getting to meet and bond with my favorite people, my favorite Oles, but learning through hands-on experiences, whether that's running my own research experiments and ecosystems I've never seen before and are so stunning, or getting to hear about Aboriginal struggles and Maori struggles through their own point of view. The summer after my study abroad, I came back to campus and spent the summer working in the natural lands. It was really cool to get to know another side of the natural lands. My first year here, I went on walks and I thought they were beautiful, but really learning how to take care of them really brought the conservation side, just brought a new understanding to a place I already loved. This field experience really sparked an interest and a love in kind of getting my hands dirty on conservation side of the science and ecology and prairie ecology and forest ecology. I don't know exactly which of those I love the most quite yet, but I'm definitely pursuing some field work after college.